Hey guys, let's eat. Hi guys, it has been a very long time. I was gone, so let me tell you guys what we're doing today. So we're on the beach currently, and there's a lot of people, so I don't want to video tape anybody. So let me tell you guys what we having. So we having, we got it. Alright guys, so over here I have a Whopper, and I have some nuggets. So this is what we'll be eating, but guys can't see the food, but that's alright. We have some honey mustard here, so we're going to try that. I never tried Burger King honey mustard before. It's got a good dip. Look at that little thing. And I was going to say busting, but it's a little acid. Guys, I'm not a nugget fan. You guys could have the first bites, and I'll have the second. They will say bussin'. They're so good. It's so much better with the ketchup. So guys, I was drinking this grapefruit just now, and it busting. What are we talking about? Look how much I don't drink. People coughing in my video and all kind of thing, you know, we can't have that. Just come out to tell Hungry Trini fam how much we love them. Thanks for support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you back tomorrow to another busting video. Bye guys.